Monire moça, tampo quererani. So, in this video, as you can see, we are exploring accessories. Ooh, this is not like how I am every day. I'm sure you know me. This is just for performance. Not performance, but exploring the language of accessories. Yeah. Okay, so my name is Lauren Nasia Mponera. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Lauren, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. So in today's video, as you can see, we are exploring all of this. What do you call them? Hmm? In Chitumbuka, what is this? So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so accessories vya kutoweshera, like adding beauty, something like that. So kutoja. Kutoja means beauty. Like I say here, kutoja beauty. ZGA, kutoja. Watch, as in wristwatch, nyengo, or watching. Just say it slowly. Watching. It's English word. Bangles. Vibangiri. Even if bangiri. Vibangiri. Na vibangiri vinande. Nanga utuvaraja. Vinandi, vibangiri vya mtundu wosa. Ni vibangiri, vibangiri unani. Uncountable. Ni vibangiri. So, but we can also call it koza if it's just big and solid, ni koza. Ovara koza. So mostly koza is associated with the authority. Mafumu, like the chiefs, they wear koza. Koza la ufumu, because that's what is also passed on from one chief to the next. Koza lila vakavhara vafumu vakale, it's given to the next. You know, you pass it on to the next one if you are no longer. But these other ones are just koza that you can wear. But usually koza, if someone wears koza, like grandmothers used to wear koza, it has some form of authority. Okay. Necklaces. Hey. Choo, 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 choo. Tikuti vichi. Vingu vya pasingu. Some people call it chain. Chain is just a chain. So, but say it slowly. But necklace, we also say necklace. Necklace yani coach. Necklace nivi. Oh, mwe, mumanya necklace. Chingwe jani cha msingu. Huh? So, chingwe means thread. It's like my neck threads. Somehow, but necklace is okay. Just say it slowly. Necklace yan. Mwaiona ku necklace yan? Have you seen my necklace? Glasses. Oh, we have all sorts of glasses, but I guess I didn't prepare. So, my glass. I didn't prepare to show all sorts of glasses that I have, but yeah, I have different glasses. This one is medical. I use it for reading and you know, from far, especially. Earrings. I'm telling you, I can't wait to finish this video because of the earrings. They are heavy on me. Yeah. And you're like, but why? Where's the bunch of earrings? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You would be like, but why are you wearing if they are that heavy and you're uncomfortable? But you never know. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But it is for performance. Like I said, performance for this video stuff. Like I don't I, special occasions I do wear things, but I pick maybe if a necklace is matching with my earring, then sometimes I do wear that. But on special occasions only, like our end of year parties and stuff. Sometimes, not always as well. Rings. Mphetezani. Don't start asking me about why are you wearing marriage um, type of mpete because they are not open this and the other. This is a performance, right? So, mphete. Mphete yani? Oh, mphete yakutoa hii. Huh? Mphete, mphete. Yeah, so good mphete easy. These are finger rings. Sparkling kugadima oro kunyezimira. Can we see pick something that is sparkly? Hmm? Ichu gadima. Chili gadi. Gadimira. Even these earrings are sparkling. Ugadima. Ugadimira. Hmm? Perfume. What? Hmm. Should I try that one? Is it this one? Is it that one? Is it that other? Hmm? Ah, kutra perfume. Wait, it's running. Ah, yeah. Nice. Perfume. Kutra perfume. Spraying. Kutira. It's running. I didn't bring lipstick stuff, but never mind. Belt, lamba. Kukakalamba means tie your belt. Kukaka tie. Belt lamba. Kukakalamba is the process of tying it. Stockings, tikuti stocking or sokosi za wanakazi. Sokosi za wanakazi. Wanakazi means women. Tights, mataite. So we are saying stockings are socks for women. Sokosi za wanakazi. Or just say ma stocking yani alikuchi. Socks, sokosi. Nail polish, upenda njovi. Oh my God. I have hundreds of nail polish. There was a time I used to buy a lot. I mean, a lot. Because what I loved at that time, I would, maybe they are even dry now, you never know. But yeah, I used to paint different colors, all the 10 fingers, all the 10 toes, different color, each one of them. It was that bad. I don't do that anymore. I guess it was a, a period of that. When I came in this country, um, I felt so isolated. So I resorted into different behaviors that sometimes when I look back, I'm like, why was I doing all of that? But it was isolation. So I was looking for something to fill up my time. I've never dealt with isolation in my life. So I did not. This is why a lot of people, when they come here, and I see it always, people, when they come here, they cry a lot. The first and second year is the most loneliness. But then you figure it out. You figure it out. Although people sometimes do tell you, oh, you have to be self-contained in this country because it's individual life, you don't get it until you are in it. And then you're like, Jesus Christ. So one of the things I was doing was nail polish. I don't do any of that now. I don't do nails. I don't, because otherwise it's the isolation period that I, went through. So now, no, I don't. And I had all stuff for my face, concealers, powders, lipstick, you name it. There's nothing I didn't have because that was what was occupying my space. It's a dark place to be in, but I think it's also something that I don't think people are aware that that's how some people experience this country. When you just come and you're alone, all you know is I go to work and come back. And if you're working nights, you're on your own night, you come home and that's it. It's depressing. Piercing, kudorora, tirudorora ndevereri. So ini ndevereri iyi, tavwara, tifuka tirudorora makutu. Makutu is ear. Some people, yes, their tongue. I've never seen it in my culture, but I'm just saying it because now things are changing at lightning speed. Nose, udorora nose, mpuno. Mpuno is nose. So some people pierce the nose. When I was growing up, I didn't see anyone who had the nose piercing, just earring. I had two piercings, but it was also weird. So the second one, at that time, I mean, so the second one, I left it. I did it because of peer pressure. One of the girls just said, "Oh, I pierced it too." I said, "Oh, I've never heard of that." She said, "Yes." And then she did the second one, but I didn't like it. I just left it to close to heal. So I don't have two piercings now. Tattoo or chatupi. This is me coining it like burning your body. Hmm. It's me who has uh brought this the tattoo niko chatupi because in Chitumbuka you'd say kujiremba, yes, Kuji, kujiremba mutupi. So kujiremba, you can jiremba yourself with a pencil. You can write on your body with pencil. So, but that does not mean tattoo at all. But tattoo itself ni kujocha tupi. So kocha tupi, kujocha or kocha tupi. So because there's you feel the heat, right? When it's being um thingy. So korichi kocha tupi rani. Ear piercing kudorora kutu. Okay. So this video is short. Let's stop share. Thank you so much for being with me. And yeah, have a closer look. I mean, I can't wait to take them off. Hey, they are heavy. My everything is being weighed down, weighed down, weighed down. Yeah, I think that's it. So, Yuchomene, Tawonga, Bangiri, Kozarani, Kozali Swesi, Kozara Gorodi. Gorodi is Gordi, Kozali Fipa, even Kozaya ini cheni. Uyu ni cheni. Cheni wapaka oko, cheni wapa singu, cheni wa hmm? But we also wear beads. How can I forget beads? Beads are big. We wear beads. Beads is also associated with it's like something that is passed on from your ancestors, you know. So yeah, you, yeah, you wear beads on the neck, in the what do you call it? In the waist, in the hands, whatever you want. Wear beads. So beads doesn't have age. Even children, you can put them around their waist. Some people say it's beads that help women to have shape. It could be true because if you are wearing something that you feel it, probably it interferes with the position in terms of like how you are sitting, how probably. But yeah, people say it gives a woman shape. So even when children are young, they may not have the beads if they can't afford. You still tie like something that is from the bark of the tree. Much as some of it is associated with the traditional medicine, but some people they just make a thread and they tie. So it's my time to go now. All right. Thanks so much. Tawonga, Naruta, Yoshomen. Bye bye.